Good day investors, welcome to the 28th of January 2015 market review. The trade for today is called CFR or Company Fin Richmond. Last traded price was 98.60. The action yesterday to trade in long, so if it breaks the level of 97.25 on the dotted blue line, movement could be higher to a target of 103.07. Stop loss to be used on this trade will be on the red line of 95.31. Current open trades is LBH, MTN and Netcare. Looking at the top 40 JSE chart, the blue line is the index of the top 40 shares. Currently trading above the 5-day and the 20-day moving average. That's a positive movement. Looking at the Dow Jones on Tuesday evening, they physically closed 291 points negative from this point to this point here, and they currently plus minus 125 points positive for Wednesday opening late afternoon. Some expectations was not met, and that is why the market physically came down on results that came due on Tuesday. Today is going to be a big day in the market as well, because the Federal Reserve Bank late afternoon on Wednesday will announce what and how the interest rate discussion will work like, and that could have an impact in the short term in the market as well. Looking at the J200, or called the top 40 index of the JSE. Now, this actually broke up much higher yesterday, tested this level of 44,316, and currently the futures are showing a positive opening for later this morning as well, yet close to the 300 points, after the Americans are also 125 points higher. Now, the rand and dollar is trading at 11.57, it's quite flat at that levels. And gold started to move higher. It went from 1285 to 1291, and the high for the day so far was 1295. You need to track this very carefully after this breakup happened. Looking at some banking shares, Barclays Bank broke the new high. Yesterday they were almost 3% up, or almost 5.80 in this positive channel. Looking at Standard Bank, also in this positive channel, and they went up yesterday almost 1.5%, almost 2.54. So the shares trading here on previous highs of August last year of approximately 150 Rand. Looking at some MTN shares, MTN is currently struggling to break the 210 level and is currently trading at 207.51. If you call up a Bollinger Band on this specific share, you can see it's struggling to break the table with their confirmations on their previous highs. Vodacom also started to move a bit higher yesterday, and it's trading at 136.51, almost testing November's highs and April highs last year. We need to see how that one will play out in the short term. Looking at some retailers, let's start with the retailers. Shoprite came down from the 184.50 levels, coming a bit down, and it's losing a bit of value at this moment, but still the momentum is positive because it's trading between the middle and the top Bollinger Band at this moment, so you can see the channel is still there. Looking at Woolies, Woolies is also starting to phase out, but it's still trading between the green and the red Bollinger Bands in a positive momentum here at 85 Rand. Mr Price also went to the 260 Rand level, currently trading at 258.45, but it's still trading between the green and the red on a very high level at this moment. Go and look at Investex that we've tracked, and the share went up to almost 98.27 after it broke the level of 96.50. So the share is in a positive swing upwards, testing this previous highs here on the top here. And you can see it broke the middle Bollinger Band, went to the top Bollinger Band. We need to see if there's going to be a sideways momentum and start falling back. Old Mutual. Old Mutual went to 35.77, went high. Now yesterday it went up almost 38 cents or 1.1%, but it's still on the top of this Bollinger Band here as well. And you can see the averages closed, the high average is 36 Rand. Exxaro. Now Exxaro, as we explained yesterday, we looked at it, the share went to this 102 Rand level just underneath it and started to break up again. If it can break this 104, 105 level upwards, and let's confirm that level at about 104.50, currently trading at 142.33, it could go back to this highs here of approximately 108 in the short term. So there's a bit of leverage here. Please take note, our MPC meeting results will happen on Thursday. This Wednesday afternoon, the Feds of the US markets will have their chat. That will have an impact on the markets on Thursday morning. So still a lot of data due in the markets as well. And some of the S&P 500 companies that's bringing out fourth quarter results are not beating expectations at this moment. And that is why it's also got a bit of a negative influence on the US markets. Enjoy your trading.